Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week I decided I needed to fill you in on my current everyday glam everyday makeup routine. These are my favorite videos to film, but I have to spread them out because I never normally actually try enough new products to give you guys something new to see. You all know I love like a natural glam, whether it's a different color, shade, tonage, deepness. Not hugely visually different, but products wise I actually have something different to show you this time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I actually already prepped with this Vichy Mineral 89 cream. I used the MUA Brow Define in the Precision and the normal pencil for my brows with the P. Louise palette and just this dark brown here. I used Lancome All Over Concealer just to carve around my brows. I'm now gonna use this to put underneath my eyes and also anywhere that I want a bit of extra coverage. I must know your guys' plans for Valentine's. I don't have a Valentine's this year, but that's okay. I'm actually everything but sad about that. I'm having a Galentine's. Me and Chizzy have never had a Galentine's together, so it's gonna be our first one. It's gonna be really fun and exciting. I would actually love to know your plans just so that we have some inspo. Obviously we're kind of running out of time before Valentine's Day comes up, so any tips, tricks, ideas would be much appreciated. I 120% need to put some bronzing drops. I don't know if this lighting is gonna go. It gets so dark here quick, but I do believe this makeup look is quick. Ultra Wear Lancome foundation using the shade 40W. That is not my shade. We are most 100% gonna have to put some lighter concealer on that. This is a lovely foundation though, really lightweight on my skin. I'm gonna use some Kylie Cosmetics 2.5N just to lighten this up while this is getting a bit more full coverage. I'm going in with some Kylie concealer in the shade 6W as my bronzer. It's so miserable and rainy outside. I was making a playlist earlier of like 2000s nostalgia songs, like British throwbacks, and oh my god, I'm gonna have to make the playlist public for you and put my Spotify in the description box, because if you need some nostalgia, just go and listen to it. It's got, I don't even know how many songs it's got. The last time I looked it was like 40 something. I've added more since, so oh my god, I've been listening to it all morning. We've got a bit of JLS on there, a bit of S Club 7, we've got some Take That, we've got some Amy Winehouse. Who else have we got on there? Bunch of people. For blusher, I'm using e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in Peach Kiss. Really lovely, similar shade to Rare Beauty Bliss, but Rare Beauty is just slightly more pink and more matte, I would say. And then I'm going to add a little bit of extra concealer here just to get rid of any excess like blusher and bronzer that I don't want in the center of my face. Set with this Kylie setting spray. I've been trying this recently. I haven't got a set opinion yet, but I will keep you updated. So far, the thing I've noticed that I love the most is the matte finish, because the only matte setting spray or close to matte setting spray I have is the Urban Decay. Normally I use a glowy one, so having a matte setting spray is really nice because I've been enjoying layering the two by the end of my makeup. I'm now gonna set with my H&B loose setting powder and a Trigwell powder puff. I am a matte makeup babe, so I will always 9 times out of 10 set the absolute shit out of my makeup. I really don't actually know what to like talk about because I don't have any tea. Like, I'm not speaking to any boys, like, so I haven't even any gossip about boys. What else? Like, it's the new year, but I feel like we've not like headed into spring, so like nothing has really come into fruition, is that the right word, since we last spoke, which comme ci comme ça. Oh my god, I completely lied. Love Island. What is everyone's thought on Love Island? I have been watching it with Chizzy and Pembu. We all sit there and we watch it every night and we gossip the whole night about what's going on. And honestly, it's my favourite thing to do right now. I really want to use the Made by Mitchell blushes, but I don't know where. Okay. Hello? Bonsoir. Hello. Okay, I'll have a sip of my coffee then. We're back. Okay. I'm gonna take the Made by Mitchell blusher palette. I haven't used this in a very actually long time. English, Izzy. I've used this in a minute. Should I use the shade or the shade? The shade. So I don't know why I asked, because I knew which one I was gonna do. The skin is pretty much done, so I'm actually just gonna set that again. Do you want to know what next week's video is? It's going to be another 10 ways you can style your bob. I've already done 10 ways you can style your bob, but I'm going to do another 10. And it's because I've got a bob now and I need more inspiration, so I actually need to go and search for it myself. I've got a few that I can do that I've done that weren't in the original video. I do want to do some research regardless. Anyways, this is the Max Factor Brown and Bold lip liner. And I'm just using that to line all around my lips. I'm gonna take the Doll Beauty Come to Mama lipstick. It's this lovely nude shade and it really just melts the lip combo together. But you're gonna want to go in with your blush. I would use this for blusher, but I think I'm actually gonna use the Rare Beauty one just because it's slightly more pink and it's matte. The same lip liner that I just used on top of the Max Factor Brown and Bold, I'm now going to use as eyeliner all over my eyes. All the products that I'm using, I'm effectively using everywhere around my face, so everything just kind of looks so cohesive once it's done. Now the insides of my eyes are eyelinered up, I'm now going to just, I know you shouldn't pull your eye, but I like to do this just to get the right angle that I'm looking for. But just like a wing, it doesn't have to be neat because we're gonna literally almost completely blend it, so any smudging is completely fine. If anything, it will just make your blending process in a bit quicker. The one thing I love about using a lip liner for this too, one, this brown is really warm and I tend to find a lot of eyeliners are cool toned browns and I love a good warm brown. You just commonly find that in a lip liner. So that's the first reason why I love this. The second reason, and that is the fact you can literally blend it so much easier and more seamlessly than an eyeliner, because a lot of the eyeliners that I use in particular anyway are very much like, don't move, no budge. But like, I need you to budge, but just for a bit. Do you know what I mean? Using the same shade that I used for my bronzer all over my eyelid. I'm not sure what that noise is, I do apologize. I think it's air in the pipes in the radiator. Like I was saying, I'm taking all the same shades. So the shade I took for my eyebrows, I'm now going to use just to redefine the base of my wing. Just like this. Just a little stamp over where we've already done it. Doesn't have to be neat because obviously it's still very smudged. But I like to do that just because I find it helps the look of the eyeliner stay longer, because obviously we basically blended it out. So the little smudge we do have left, I want you to be able to see it, you know? I'm gonna do a bit of eyebrow gel. This is the Got To Be one. It's literally my all-time favorite. I will say, granted, I'm doing this in a really odd order, but that's just kind of the way I've been doing it. I'm now taking the Makeup Forever powder foundation in Y225, and I was actually speaking to a babe on Instagram because she had asked me, this shade is discontinued, and I found a graph which has the shade range equivalent with the new packaging, I think it is, or the new formula. I'm not sure, I haven't tried it yet, but I'm gonna have to soon because I'm running out of this one. I'll put that on screen here too, so if you do want to get this, I'm just gonna go in and again redefine that wing, but this is using an eyebrow pencil. Hello, bebe. Which one of you is it? It's the wind. I'm now talking to myself. What a rotten babe. Take this blush and this blush and mix those together and place that on my cheek. I'm gonna set my face one last time with the matte setting spray. take this highlight, which I'm actually pretty sure is the same as the one I mixed in with the blusher. But last but not least, for the makeup portion, Sky High Burgundy mascara. This just really makes my eye color pop, but I feel like this look is just as beautiful without mascara. But I've been loving this. And then last but not least, a glowy setting mist. This is the finished everyday current glam that I've been doing. Some new products in there that finally I'm trying something new. I feel like I don't try enough new products, but I'm going to America soon. And I think one of my things is I need to do a trip to Sephora and just have a little fun. Try some new products, see what's going on in the beauty world. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Comment down below if you have any video requests. Please DM me on Instagram if you have particular makeup looks that you want me to do. If you have an event coming up, a birthday, anything like that, and you particularly want to do some sort of makeup look, but you can't find the tutorial you want for it, send it my way, I'll do it. Oh. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it if you do give me a DM. Comment down below because I'm always in my comments. I love a good chit chat. I will catch you guys next week.